Hey all, welcome back. This video, you're gonna be seeing a very simple yet beautiful makeup. This would be extremely lightweight, guys, long stay, and if you're a beginner watching this out, this is gonna be super useful for you to know about this pretty makeup. And hello, beautiful. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Brinda, and you get to see all kind of useful videos here. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right underneath this video. Without further ado, let's get into the video now. The first and foremost thing that you'll have to do before applying any makeup is your skincare. And I'm not here to talk about any skincare now, but the basic thing is your moisturizer, which is going to be a base for any kind of makeup you apply. And today I'm randomly picking a moisturizer from Biotic. This is Biotic's Morning Nectar Lotion, and this is almost done, guys. I'm just squeezing the last pour of it and just applying this all over my face and neck. Never ever forget to apply the sunscreen before stepping out, guys. This is from Lotus brand. This is a tinted sunscreen from Lotus with matte finish, and I'm just taking adequate amount of the sunscreen and applying this all over my face and neck. Sunscreen is already a tinted one, so I do have a tint on my face right now. So I'm just taking a very little foundation from Maybelline Fit Me range, which is one of the most popular foundation from affordable side and the best one. I'm just concentrating on my dark circles and the dark spots on my face and just blending this out with a foundation blending brush. This way of applying hides the dark spots and evens the skin tone. Just blend it perfectly and take the brush to the remaining places and dab the left out product so that the foundation is evenly spread out all over the face, and you can always blend however you like. You can use your fingers to blend or with a beauty blender, whatever you like, just blend it nicely. Now you can take a little more product and do the same for the neck area too to make it perfectly match with your face. A makeup is always about blending, guys. The more the time you take to blend, the better you look. And if you don't do it nicely, and you can look cakey, or the foundation can sit on your fine lines, wrinkles, and all. Moisturizing your lips is equally important as your face, and my all-time favorite lip balm from Burt's Bees. I'm using the mango variant from Burt's Bees. To set the foundation, I'm using the compact powder from Lakme. I'm just dabbing this all over my face, and you can find all the product details in my description, guys. I'll be giving everything in detail. And for eyebrows, I'm using Ka's Brow One Point Microfine Eyebrow Pencil. The pencil is so thin and it's so amazing for precise application. Like you can draw your individual brow hairs. This glides on so easily and gives you a natural look, but you'll have to be a little more patient and work with it. And if you are of kind who love doing your brows precisely with thin strokes, and then you definitely love this pencil. As next step, I'm just filling my lower lash line and upper lash line, upper and lower waterline with Nykaa's I Am Bold Black Kajal. I'm just applying this randomly and then smudging this with my ring finger. I'm not using any eyeliner today. I'm just applying this and then smudging this out to get a beautiful bold eyes. This kajal is smudge proof, waterproof, and absolutely long lasting. The only thing is that this does not have a precise tip. This is Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter. This is palette number 1. I'm gonna be using this to highlight my face. Highlight is a process of like making your face glow with applying a shimmery product on your face, especially above your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. Blend this out nicely for a seamless shine. Eyeshadow is gonna be super simple today. I'm just taking this burnt orange shade from Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air palette and then blending this in my crease area with a blending brush. I'm taking the same product with my ring finger and applying this all over my lid so that it looks even and natural. Lipstick is from Elatin, a maroon shade. I'll give you the shade details in the description box. And this is one of the decent lipstick from affordable range. And definitely, this is not long lasting. You can reapply after every 3 or 4 hours. And even if you're not reapplying, this is definitely gonna be leaving a tint, a beautiful tint on your lips. And yeah, girls, this is the final look you get. As said earlier, this is so simple and insanely beautiful, and you can quickly glam up like this. I'm sure I have showed up with minimalist products, and you're gonna be loving this. Try this out and drop your feedback as comments, and I would really be happy to know about this. And thanks much for watching this video, guys, and do support subscribing to this channel and click on the notification bell icon to not miss out any of my future updates from this channel. With more useful content, I'll come back to you in my next video. Until then, this is Brinda signing off. Take care and bye bye.